Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to share your task list on Google TasksBoard and Google Tasks together. So for you to be able to show or share your task list to other people, you need to have tasks on your main board or whatever board you're using. And to add tasks, you can either just go to Google Tasks or Calendar on your Google account. And as you can see, we have two here. Now, when you have tasks under My Tasks, if you go to your task board, it's going to be automatically put to your main board, as you can see here. So how do we share this to other people? Maybe we want to share this for, maybe this is a task for somebody you want to hire or another friend you want to work with. It's quite simple. You want to click on the three dots here on the upper right corner of your board, whatever board you have, and click on it like so. This pop-up will appear, and there's going to be an option. It's going to be the third option that says share list. Now, if you click on share list like so, this new pop-up will appear, and you can copy your link here. So as you can see, if I copy it, sends link copied to clipboard, and you can just send it via email, via Discord, or whatever messaging app you're using. And after that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.